Hey everyone, my name is Beau, and this video is actually an update to a previous video that I did where I showed how to set up a web hacking lab locally using Virtialbox, Kali Linux, Docker to set up JuiceShop, dvwa, and WebGoat. And the very smart people at OffSec also thought it was a good idea to set up a local hacking lab. And so in the latest update for Kali Linux, they actually made that very easy, even easier than I made it using Docker. So in this quick video, we're going to go over how to do this the new way. And it does only have the it does only include dvwa and JuiceShop for now. They do say right here, they say that will potentially change in the future. That would be great. But for now, we're just going to set up these two. And since this is a quick video, I'm going to assume that you already have a Kali Linux setup in whatever hypervisor you prefer. If you need to learn how to do that with VirtualBox and everything, you can go to my previous video where I show how to set up that entire thing. So yeah, let's just jump right in. And I did download this latest version, 2022.3, but we may still have to, and if you haven't updated, you for sure will have to, you'll have to do a quick apt-get update. And that will just make sure that our package lists are up to date. And then while that's going, there are actually two ways to do this. You can just do the Kali Linux Labs meta package, which is this one right here, and it'll install both. Or if you wanted to, you can just do apt install dvwa or apt install JuiceShop. So if you wanted to, you could just do dvwa or JuiceShop, but in this case, I'm just going to do them all. But again, keep in mind, if you do them all in the future, that might have other ones in there. Hit yes. Super easy. And then once that is done, you can see if you look up the package details for dvwa that to start it, you just do dvwa-start and dvwa-stop when you want it to stop. And then a similar thing for JuiceShop. You just run JuiceShop when you want it to start, and then JuiceShop stop when you want it to stop. So it's all very easy, and I'm really happy that they made this package for us. Now this is going to take a second to install, so I will be back when it's finished. It is now finished, so let's try and get JuiceShop and dvwa started. Nice, tab to go, okay. See how easy that was? Incredibly easy. So now that that one's going, we can also do dvwa tac start, not stop. And then dvwa is set up here. And yeah, it's really that easy. And then you can start doing all your stuff in Burp and really learn how to start hacking for reals. For dvwa, I'm pretty sure you actually have to Okay. Yep, okay. So once it's all going, just do setup.php and set up the database, and then you can log in as admin with the password, and then you can get started here. The other thing I did want to point out is the security level, I think, is by default set to impossible. So let's change it to whatever. I mean, I always start with low, and then I go through, and then I do medium, and go from there. So once the security level is set, you're ready to go. You're ready to start hacking these and going through Burp and learning how to use your tools and everything like that. So it really is that easy, and I hope this video was informative for you, and I will see you guys next time.